Cancer.
Hey, what's up mga ka-amethyst ko? Let's do a card reading for this year, 2026. Para sa inyo mga Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. And this will resonate with you or to anyone that you know. Pero hindi po lahat. Okay? So just take what's resonating. And if not, possibly mangyari pa siya this coming year or this year. Kaya ito ay hindi pa nag-resonate. So just listen and take this as an advice. For love, uncertainties and plans that you are going to make. So, kung may mga plano ka, for sure ay mawawalan ka ng power or natatakot ka. Hindi ka masyadong sure kung matutuloy yung mga plano mo. Okay? Posible mag-process ka ng mga documents or papers or hindi mo raw sure kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon pinakalagyan. Okay? Definitely, kapag lalo nang hindi ka secure sa mga older people around you or if you feel like deceptive na ng tao sa paligid or if you're dealing with someone who's matured enough but doesn't do things in maturity. Yun. So, let's see. May nagmamatured na daw or nasa due date na, nasa maturity na. And if you're someone that's dealing with a partner, mas malamang na this year will be the fulfillment or commitment part ng buhay mo. Pa-commitment ka na, kung ikaw nasa relasyon, kung hindi man, makikilala mo na yung tao magiging committed sa'yo. Okay? Business partnership, yes, may ipagpapatuloy ka rin gawin. Collaborating with those people who truly value you as a diamond or very significant. Iilan-ilan man daw niyan, pero for sure, guaranteed they're protecting you no matter what. Those people who are truly experiencing your value or talagang significant ka sa kanila no matter what, kahit na may mga naninira sa iyo ng gugulo or yung mga tao hindi ka pa kilala, for sure these people who truly appreciates you, sila yung mga kawal, sila yung mga sundalo mo protecting you. Okay, so this year financially you are going to be good. You will definitely get worried about your finances. But let me take my card, tarot card naman. I-shuffle na ito ulit kanina. Pero i-shuffle ko pa din. Real time. Okay? So, the message of my tarot for you this year, 2026 Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Queen of Swords in reverse. Ako, panghihinaan ka lang ng loob at hindi masyado magiging klaro ang iyong mga pananalita. Judgment. Dahil may paghuhusga na. Iaalaw mo na lang daw, isusurrender mo ang lahat. Nakataas ang kamay niya na. Surrender mo lahat sa Panginoon. Hihintayin mo yung paghuhusga ng mga bagay na nagawa mo, na experience mo, naging decision mo in the past. At ang judgment ay ngayong taong to. Okay? Eight of Swords, but this is your healing redemption year. Kung nasaktan ka before, marireveal na ngayon yung reason kung bakit nangyari yun. Ito rin yung panahon na nagle-let go ka na or nag-heal ka na from the hurt or pain you had last year. Cancer, Sun, Rising, 9 of Cups, so hindi ka para makakapag-accept ng kahit anong mga bagong offer as of now. But this can definitely happen within the early stage of this year. Sobra ka naman maingat sa mga offer. Yan. Or opportunities. Yan. But definitely you are giving yourself a lot of hope, freedom to have more faith, and wow. The Hierophant in reverse, lalo na yung hope or faith na yan i-related sa mga non-committed situation or people. Okay? So, ang message naman ng Oracle card for you, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, ito ay Wow, you are meant to be a wise leader this year. Kung leader ka na, magagampanan mo na yung pagiging leader. Or you will be wiser. You will definitely stand on your ground and you will look at this as a part of a big plan. May malaking plano para sa'yo. So, hindi ka raw papatinag na susunod na lang basta. Maninindigan ka at mas titignan mo ang sitwasyon ng buhay mo ngayon this year as um, parte ng isang malaking kwento or significant role na gagampanan mo or ginagampanan. Okay? So the message is, stepping into your power in reverse is, you're starting to step into your power. Hindi mo pa siya ma-fulfill ngayon, but you're beginning to make that happen this year. Last one. And enjoy this great adventure. Okay? Just enjoy and go with the flow. It might not be that easy, but it's meant to stay longer than you are expecting. It will be built to last. And this is my Chinese drama 6 from my father, Professor Tito Mar. Ang unang 3 sticks para sa'yo. Cancer, Sun, and Rising, 4 pala. You are now wiser. And you being wise will definitely bring you to building your life. You also have to trust the divine detours of God for you. The Creator itself will put you into your success life story dahil naniwala ka kahit na may unexpected things or plot twist kagaya ng troubles na pagdadaanan mo this year habang ikaw ay may sincerity of love, authentic na pag-ibig, genuine ang iyong puso. Yan ang huhusgahan. So, you will definitely experience reconciliation, redemption to fulfill your dreams because your soul knows exactly how to put that into fulfillment. Diba?